Hello, good morning. This is Jerry from Houston, Texas. It is 10:23:59, 10:24 in Houston. That's 11:24 in New York. Almost lunchtime. Today was a scalping day for me. Let me tell you why it turned out to be a scalping day. I did scalp small volume, also small size, also. This is the Qs, which is primarily what I trade. I looked like it opened gap down, and my expectation was that it would open gap down and continue going up, but it didn't. It continued going down. Same thing with the SPY. Watching the 5-minute action on the futures and on the Qs and the SPY. Can see that it opened, stayed within the range for a while, broke under the opening range, and never came back up. So it kind of bounced up and down. My strategy, actually not a strategy, but my MO is to trade before the 15-minute opening range. I did today, however, because I saw there was I'll show you in a few minutes, there was a momentum play on the Apple stock, so I did take that one. But normally I never trade within this I should never say never, I just said I did. So most times, 98% of the time, I do not trade within the first 15 minutes. So after the first 15 minutes passed, I saw this trying to collapse, trading under the moving averages, trading under Friday's close, still above the today's open, but it was struggling to try to get its head up and reclaim the moving averages. So this was not a long, comfortably long opportunity for anything. So, and as you see, everything broke down here, then tried to do a double bottom, tried to move up, hit the 10 moving average, broke down, tried to move up. So it was a constant up and down, up and down. So that's a perfect environment for scalping. So that's what I did. I did a scalp today. It is harder for me to scalp. I get more anxious and tense when I scalp, because I know it has to be a quick in and out. It shouldn't be, because you either lose money fast or make money fast. But unfortunately, my mind is always thinking about trending, and I may stay a little bit longer than I need to in a scalping situation. Looking at the internals, it's clearly a disaster area. The NYSE and the Nasdaq advancing and declining volume is on the declining side big time. Same thing with the advanced decline issues, and the ticks just started to turn green on the SPY. However, on the Nasdaq, on the QQQ, it is not. It has been solid red. So that's a good indicator of staying away. Let me show you these are my industries. Pretty much everything is on the red. Technology being the largest one on the red. That's a 5-minute view. Let me do a 1 hour. That's a pretty ugly view right now, although it looks like double bottom there, or triple bottom, or whatever you want to call it, on the technology stocks. So this could very probably could bounce back up, but I'm out already. It is for me, it's 10:30 in the morning, and I'm done for the day. I just wanted to recap a few things here. Let me see what I did today. I scalped Apple 3 times today. I bought at 134.87 and I sold at 135.07 earlier in the day. Let me see where this is. 5 minutes. You see, this thing had been hugging the VWAP all day, so it's not a very comfortable place to be. So what I did, I took advantage of these moves and scalp on the long side. I didn't short anything. I could have shorted here, could have shorted here. I didn't. I feel more comfortable playing long than playing short, to tell you the truth. So I did scalp Apple from 134.87 to 135.07. Then I bought it again at 135.02, and I sold it for a tiny profit at 135.09. Then I bought it again at 134.57 and sold it at right around here at 135.19. So that was my scalp on Apple. Then I moved on to Facebook. I did a better scalp. I went from 303.44, which was right around 303, right around there, 303.44, right around here. I think I did it on the high, or not on the high, on the open. Not open, on the close of this candle, and I got out right around here on the top. No, actually a little bit higher than that, 304.36, 304.36, which was around there. You know, I could have stayed a little longer, but why endure this up and down? Because that's the way the market's gonna be probably all day. So why endure that? I was looking at Tesla also, but it is a big item. It's in the 700s, so I was a little leery about doing a scalp on Tesla. I could have done it. I was looking at it around here, but you know, never be sorry about what you didn't do, and never be sorry about what you do either. So that's okay. I did good. I got 2 good scalps on Apple, one marginally good on Apple, and one good one on Facebook. So my day went well. Right now the market seems to be heading south again. You see, it's the Qs are trading under the moving averages, under VWAP, under today's open, under Friday's close. It is not a good place to be in right now. Tomorrow, maybe I'm expecting this thing to rebound. We'll see what happens. You know, there's these all-time highs at 338.19, so it's hitting that 338.19. It's turning out to be a good support area for the Qs. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if it holds that piece of support, which was all-time highs before. It is now up here, but I still keep it as a support area. So that's it for me for today, and I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll be back, of course, tomorrow again. Thank you. We'll see you soon.